How to unsync contacts on TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply unsync your contacts on TikTok. So without further ado, let's dive into this. You have to keep this thing in mind that going to the Play Store or the App Store, irrespective of the operating system, you just have to check whether your TikTok application is updated or not. So if it is not, just update it because these new features they doesn't appear on the previous version. So once you get into the TikTok, this is the kind of a page you will, or a similar page that you're going to appear. So afterwards you just are going to go into the profile. Once you get into the profile, you just have to go at the top right corner of your screen. So before this, profile page would appear by tapping at the right hand bottom corner of your screen where there's written profile, and once you tap on it, this is the page that would appear. Secondly, to go into the settings, you just have to tap at the freelance option that is the top right corner, the three bars. So once you tap on it, you get a new dialog delivery box beneath the screen in which you're going to go and tap on the settings and privacy. So once you get over there, you just have to go into the privacy, that is the second option. So once you get into privacy, under discoverability, there are three options: private accounts, suggest your account to others, and sync contacts and Facebook friends. Just have to tap this one with the sync contacts and Facebook friends. Once you do that, you see the contacts and there is option of sync contacts, and that has already been checked. Uncheck those, and you'll also uncheck the sync Facebook friends option as well. Now you have completely unsynced contacts on TikTok, and this is how you do it. This is how you unsync contact on TikTok. I hope this video was informative and you liked it. So if you have any query, just comment down below. I would love to answer those, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.